NCSimul has developed an additional feature called Auto Control to further improve workshop synergy between programmers and machinists. The idea was put into place to create specific sheets that control in-process dimensions. It ensures that all machine offsets and tool settings are correct during production, even before receiving a full first piece report from inspection. Clicking on the checklist function gives a list of the minimum amount of measurements in areas machined by finishing tools that need to be controlled. Click Create to add a process to measure the dimension. Choose the type of dimension and then the feature on the model. If it meets the requirement for a feature, it will highlight in green in the checklist. For each measurement, there is an associated tag in the 3D window that can be individually toleranced, and the device needed to perform the measurement can be specified as well. NCSimul is also smart enough to know which portion of the tool is engaged with the material for each feature to ensure that the radius, side, and bottom are all accounted for and validated. Once complete, hit Apply and a dimension function will be added to the relevant point in the tool sequence tree. Choose to take a snapshot of a certain or multiple views to capture all angles needed to observe the callouts. Within NCDoc, there is a template provided to output a page based on these parameters that can be customized to each customer's needs. Select Preview and which pages of the documentation to produce. Included in the output is the auto control sheet. From here, send the document out to the shop floor to have the machinist inspecting parts in real time while the machine is running or before the part is unloaded and maximize workflow efficiency.